This is the orange sacra that I have been infusing. It is absolutely beautiful. I've been infusing it in water, and if you hold it up to the light, you can actually see the orange that's inside it. And this is what I have been infusing in the frankincense water to make the candy. Plus, I'm going to save the water. It can last for about 2 to 3 weeks in the water, and I will use it for other products. Sacra, and as you can see, it's been infusing in water, and I will be straining it in the next couple of minutes, and then I will start the the lozenge making, and I will give you step-by-step video as I go. So now it's a combination of a cup of honey, a half a cup of ginger water, a half a cup of frankincense water, a cup of sugar, and 2 lemons squeezed. And now it's boiling. It's got to reach 300 degrees, and then it'll be poured into the molds. So here they are in the molds, and they all have to dry and get hard. And then I will pop them out and put them in powdered sugar. I will show you that. And then they get wrapped. Here they are finished, and I rolled them in powdered sugar, and then they will be individually wrapped. So here are the finished products. Came out really nice, and I put them in candy cellophane paper, and I will have them for a very long time, and they will go in the freezer to stay fresh.